Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I make these custom prints. As you can see, this one I made on my own, the design, everything. It's these high quality canvas prints. I even have my name hidden at the bottom. But yeah, we're going to be going over how we go ahead and make these. Showing you guys the whole process, and it's very cheap and affordable. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, we have this pretty cool print from John F. Kennedy. Only those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. And then as you can see, this is from Etsy, and they charge, I think the smallest size is $28, but to get something my size, that can go up to like $50 plus. So it's just insanely pricey. And then sometimes they could go up to like $70, especially if you're looking for those very nice canvas printed ones that are pretty big, like a bit bigger than your A4 paper size. They could go up to like $50 to $70. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you could not only custom make your own, but how you can do it at a much cheaper price. So first of all, what I did was I looked for the right font. So I wanted to sort of mirror what that Etsy design looked like. So I went ahead and went to dovefont.com and I looked for the typo font. I went ahead and downloaded that and I went ahead and installed it. And then I went to my local store called Officework, where they do things from school products. They print photos, pictures, they sell printers, they sell electronics, calculators, that sort of Officework for Australia, but every sort of country has their own. Well, I just search up the name and I search up Canvas, and there were a bunch of options. And if I didn't go with Officework, I could have went with Kmart. And you know, Kmart is in a lot of countries, so your Kmart should be able to offer it as well. I know Costco offers it if you're from the US and Canada, so Costco is also a good option. So after I went to Officework, I saw that they offered a lot of options. I went ahead and started looking for the right size. And then as you can see, eventually I settled with the 10 by 15 inch canvas print, which was 39 Australian dollars, which is roughly only like 25 USD, which is an insane steal. And then as you can see, I opened up Photoshop and then I changed the width and height to inches, and I did it exactly the same, 10 by 15 inch. So that means the canvas I have on Photoshop would fit exactly perfectly for this canvas. And then I found this image where it sort of talks about the compound effect, and it was very cool, and it's something that shows wealth versus time, and this is something that I've been really focusing on. I really wanted to hone in my sort of understanding how that success comes with time and patience. So that's sort of why I use this image, because every day, you know, you're looking to get results, you're looking to get success, but that's how you fail, because that's how you burn out. You want to enjoy the process and know that success will come with time. And it's a compound curve, just like sort of Warren Buffett's sort of wealth curve, and how people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, like all this success came in the last 5 to 10 years of their business, or 5 to 10 years from today. For example, Elon Musk wasn't known from when he was like 15 to like 35, like before he made PayPal, when he was a kid selling programs. Like, he's done so many things, but only recently has he really popped off, and that's sort of what I have to understand. So now I'm sort of using the typo font that I downloaded earlier to go ahead and create a cool quote. And as you can see, small steps forward every day, no matter how hard it gets. And then as you can see, I'm sort of increasing the fonts for certain words, decreasing the font for other words. I'm sort of trying to mirror what they did with that Etsy sort of listing, and really make it look nice and even out, and really increase those power words such as forward, hard. And then I choose to align it to the right, just because I think it looks way better compared to aligning it to the left. Sort of balances out the image, and I'm sort of making all these small tweaks because I want it perfect. And I'm gonna probably fast forward now because there's just a lot of tiny tweaks because I'm a perfectionist. So I'm zooming out to sort of see what it looks like far away, and now I want to sort of make it even more interesting. So I'll go ahead and search black arrow PNG, and then I find this arrow that's sort of using the same typo looking font, and it's perfect. I go ahead and drag in the arrow, make it aligned. I put it underneath the word forward, and then I decrease the opacity on it. How clean does that look? Like, people pay hundreds and hundreds to get something like this personally designed, a canvas personally made for them, and I'm just sort of doing this through Photoshop. And you guys get to sort of watch the whole experience, so you guys can do it and save hundreds of dollars yourself. And this is custom, you can make anything you want. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. So I go ahead and look for a dumbbell, PNG, and I want to put it underneath hard, do the exact same thing. As you can see, for some reason it just doesn't fit right, it doesn't look good, it doesn't fit with the theme of the canvas. So after sort of doing these finishing touches, aligning everything for it to look just right, I go back to office work, I go ahead and order that canvas, upload the photo, and then for some reason it's horizontal, so then I have to download the image and rotate it. And as you can see, I've rotated and it looks good. And then I add it to cart, put in my address details, and in total it's $39 with pickup. I go ahead and actually edit my name into it because I want to sort of put my tag onto this overall canvas image that I edited and put together. So I put in Andy Mai, I zoomed it in, and the reason I do that is because when I upload it and I stretch it out, Andy Mai would be actually hidden underneath the canvas, as you can see what I'm doing now. And then yeah, that's how you go ahead and edit and order the canvas. So the next few clips you can actually see me go ahead and pick it up. So as you can see, got a text message from office work a few days later saying, hey Andy, your photo order is ready for collection, come to office work Guildford. Alright, just picked it up. Here it is. Pretty big, much bigger than I expected. Picked it up at this place called Office Works. Time to go home and check it out. And then yeah, I bring it home and here's the unboxing. Alright, cool, so let's unbox this. Dude, it feels very high quality. It's like this very solid canvas print. Got my name on the bottom. But yeah, this is awesome. Okay, so I guess this is where the nail goes and it hangs here. But damn, this is awesome. And here's the footage of me putting it up, now putting the nail on the wall, hanging it up, and it looks amazing. So you guys could see me to the end, I hang it up and it looks awesome. But yeah, check out the last footage. Hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial. Check that out. Small steps forward every day, embrace the long journey. And there's my name underneath. And yeah, looks super cool. And then I think my webcam can spot it in the background, I think, yeah. It's in my background. There. So it's a cool backdrop. It looks a bit high, but not too bad, I think. Not too bad. Worst comes to worst, I'll just pin in another nail. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and make your own canvas print. Very easy, very simple, very affordable. Many people pay hundreds of dollars just to have their own custom canvas print, and I just showed you guys in this video how simple it is. So hope you guys found value in this video. If you guys enjoy this sort of different type of videos, sort of more vlog styled like, be sure to drop a like below, drop a comment. Question of the day: what type of artwork do you like? Is it a painting, motivational canvas, you just like some plants? Drop in comments below what you guys like, figurines, what you guys like to have as artwork around your sort of office. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and effort, and I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Peace.